Are you ready to get perfectly defined curls? We're gonna do a finger twirling and we're gonna use this product, Bedhead Foxy Girls Contour Cream. Welcome guys to today's video. I'm gonna use a product that someone had asked me to try out, and a couple of these Bedhead Foxy Curls, these bottles look the same because I know I had done videos on this and I looked it up and it wasn't the contour cream, so I'm like, oh, maybe I didn't do it, and I'm thinking of the contour cream. So I ordered the contour cream. I must have done this, and sure enough I did a search and I did do it, but that was a long time ago. So let's just do an updated review, and I want to do a full-on finger twirl, take my time hairstyling. And when you do, if you really take your time with this finger twirl, you can keep it definitely for the next day. They stay in pretty good if you do it right. Am I gonna do it right today? I don't know. I hope so, but we'll find out. Okay, first thing we're gonna discuss is I did the all blush look that I've seen going around, and it's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was gonna, some people are using like serious red, and I did put a lot of red. Now I don't like blush, but I think without the other stuff, without bronzer, it's kind of nice. It's like this is how I would look if I went to the beach and forgot to put like some sunscreen on, so I kind of like it. Okay, getting into this Bedhead TG Foxy Curls. There's so many names there. There's TG, there's Bedhead, there's Foxy Curls, and then it's a contour cream. What I'm gonna do is finger twirl. Now, a lot of times I just finger twirl on the top layer. I finger twirl a couple curls here and there, but I'm gonna finger twirl everything, which is what I've done in the past. And when I do that, it's like, wow, the curls really stay put. So we're gonna do that today. This smells so good. Oh my God. I probably love this. I didn't even look at the video to see if I liked it or not, but I could tell by the way it feels that I think I'm gonna like it. I'm definitely more of a cream product person rather than a gel. I'd probably go for foam or like a mousse after the cream and then a gel. Gel would probably be my least favorite. I'm just gonna do this quickly and you'll see, because we'll be here forever if I show you every piece of finger twirling. I'll just do it in fast motion. Oh my God, I'm sorry about the barking. I've learned to like kind of just block it out. Apologies. Okay, that was the last one. Now I'm going to get my diffuser and start diffusing. I think it came out really good. I gotta tell you, my mother, if she was still alive, would have loved these curls. She used to do this with her finger. Not like I did. She used to wrap it around like the finger coil. I did finger twirl, I guess. But she used to put it in, she used to call it, I know you guys who had my hair in the 70s know what I'm talking about. She called it banana curls. And because my hair was so stiff, she was able to do this. But why she didn't do it all the time, I don't know, because normally she just brushed my curls out, and that's how I spent every day. This was, I think, just the rare occasion of like maybe my communion or something. Why she didn't do this for me every day, I just don't know. Because she would get, I mean, not as shiny as this, but she pretty much would get these banana curls. I'm telling you, my communion, I had curls like this. The hairdresser, she took me to her hairdresser. Why did she brush my curls out? She didn't know though, she didn't know. Guys, I gotta go because I'm literally having a hot flash after just blow drying my hair with that heat, but I think it looks good. Finger curl, look how healthy it looks. By the way, this is a really good product too because it's not annoying stiff. There is a little like stiffness and crunch to it, but in a good way. The stiffness and crunch that you want. It's not hard. It's a little, like it's not so soft, you feel it, but it feels good. You want a little bit when you do a style like this, especially to keep those curls in. So it has stiffness, but in a good way. And look, it looks so good and soft. Okay. I keep looking at the side. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'd like to do I film my clothing haul now? I got a lot of other clothes that I want to show you guys. And they're from all different, like just things that I had picked up here and there. So I figured I'll just do a big haul. I don't know if I could do it now, I'm sweating, but maybe, oh, by the time you see this though, this will be next week. So I like to get one long one out at least a week, but I was away for last week and I don't stress anymore and I apologize, but I will be back. Whenever it looks like I'm like not posting, it doesn't mean because I'm not posting anymore, it just means that I'm not gonna kill myself anymore to get videos out and schedule to be up. I'm just gonna, if I go away, I wanna enjoy my moment and not worry about anything. And that's what I've been doing lately and it makes me feel so much better. So, whenever there's a lull in my videos, I'll be back. It just means I might have gone away or I might not be in a great mood. That could happen too. And I don't wanna film if I'm not in a good mood. So, that being said, what do you guys think of the red? It's not good actually right now because I'm sweating. I should really fix myself up a little. I don't know, I just put some powder on. I think it looks good actually. It does, it looks better than I thought it was. A little bit, I don't know. I'm not like the biggest fan of it, but I kind of like it more than I thought I would. Some people are doing like red contour and I'm like, how are you doing that? But then at the end of the video it looks really good, so I'm like, I gotta try this. And I think it's actually nice for the summer. I used highlighter too. I haven't used highlighter in so long. Clearly I used highlighter. I put a little too much on my nose. It's kind of stopping traffic there. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a good one.